Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download historical data from Yahoo Finance. Let's get started. To start, open your browser and search for Yahoo Finance. Then, tap on the Yahoo Finance website. Once you're on the website, go to the search bar. As an example, I'll search for Apple stock. After that, you'll be redirected to the stocks page. Next, go to the left side of the screen and tap on the Historical Data option. After that, you'll see Apple's historical data. Here, you can also change the date range. For example, I'll set mine to 1 year or 5 year. You can also go to the Historical Prices section and change the setting to Dividends Only, Stock Splits, or Capital Gains. Additionally, you can adjust the time interval to display data on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. For me, I'll change it to weekly. After that, go to the Currency in USD section. Previously, there used to be a download button right next to it, but unfortunately, Yahoo Finance has removed that option. The only way to access it now is by signing into your account and subscribing to Yahoo Finance. As of now, that's the only way to use the download button. That's how you can download the historical data from Yahoo Finance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.